Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Before moving to video, do subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. Today we will learn about English idioms. English idioms about knowledge. Not have a clue, meaning have no idea about something. Jump to conclusions, meaning to make a decision without having or knowing all the facts. Get the picture, meaning to see something clearly or to understand something clearly. Up to speed, meaning to have the latest information about something. Get the hang of something, meaning to understand how to do something or how something works properly. Read between the lines, meaning to try to understand what another person has implied in what he or she said. If you like our video, please subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon to never miss any update.